Hello students, in previous video we discussed about open sphere and open bar, and in today's video we will discuss some examples of open sphere and interior of the set and neighborhood of the point. Example: describe the open sphere S001 for the metric D Z1 Z2 is equal to modulus of x1 minus x2 plus modulus of y1 minus y2, where z1 is equal to x1 x2 and z2 is equal to y1 y2 belongs to R square. In this question, R square is the set. D is metric defined on R square as D Z1 Z2 is equal to modulus of x1 minus x2 plus modulus of y1 minus y2. We draw a sphere centered on 0 0 with radius 1. Sphere centered at 0 0 with radius 1, we can also write it as S1 0 0 is equal to xy belongs to R square such that distance between xy 0 0 is less than 1, which is equal to xy belongs to R square such that x minus 0 modulus plus y minus 0 modulus is less than 1, which is equal to xy such that x modulus plus y modulus is less than 1. As x modulus plus y modulus less than 1, using the equality x modulus plus y modulus is equal to 1, there are following 4 possibilities. First, x plus y is equal to 1. Second, x minus y is equal to 1. Third, minus x plus y is equal to 1. And fourth, minus x minus y is equal to 1. These are 4 straight lines. We draw these lines graphically. As if x plus y is equal to 1, a table x and y. If x is 0, then y is 1. If x is 1, then y is 0. If x is 1 by 2, then y is also 1 by 2. Now, table for x minus y is equal to 1. X and y. If x is 0, then y is minus 1. If x is 1, then y is 0. If x is 1 by 2, then y is minus 1 by 2. Table for minus x plus y is equal to 1. X and y. X is 0, then y is 1. X is minus 1, then y is 0. X is minus 1 by 2, then y is 1 by 2. Table for minus x minus y is equal to 1. X and y. If x is 0, then y is minus 1. If x is minus 1, then y is 0. If x is minus 1 by 2, then y is also minus 1 by 2. Using these tables, we draw a graph of all these 4 lines. This point is the 0, 0 center point. X is 1, y is 1, y is minus 1, x is minus 1. Zero, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, minus 1 and 0, minus 1, 0. Now, for the table first, when x is 0, y is 1. Is this point? When x is 1, y is 0 is this point. And when x is 1 by 2, y is also 1 by 2 is this point. Joining all these points, this line represents x plus y is equal to 1. Now, the second x minus y is equal to 1. X is 0, y is minus 1 is this point. X is 1, y is 0 is this point. X is 1 by 2, y is minus 1 by 2 is this point. Joining these points, this line represents x minus y is equal to 1. Now for the third, minus x plus y is equal to 1. X is 0, y is 1. X is 0, y is 1 is this point. X is minus 1, y is 0 is this point. And x is minus 1 by 2, y is 1 by 2 is this point. Joining these points, this line represents minus x plus y is equal to 1, and in fourth, minus x minus y is equal to 1 when x is 0, y is minus 1 is this point, x is minus 1, y is 0 is this point, and x is minus 1, y is also minus 1 is this point. We join all these points. This line represents minus x minus y is equal to 1. So the shaded part is a square surrounded by all these 4 lines. The square represents the sphere S100. Next example. Describe the open sphere S001 for the metric D, Z1 Z2 is equal to under root x1 minus x2 its square plus y1 minus y2 its square, where Z1 is equal to x1 x2, Z2 is equal to y1 y2 belongs to R square. We draw a sphere centered at 0 0 with radius R using the metric D. D Z1 Z2 is equal to square root of x1 minus x2 square plus y1 minus y2 square. Sphere centered at 0 0 with radius 1, we can write it as S1 0 0. Sphere centered at 0 0 with radius 1 is equal to xy belongs to R square such that distance between xy 0 0 is less than 1, which is equal to xy belongs to R square such that under root x minus 0 its square plus y minus 0 its square is less than 1, which is equal to xy belongs to R square such that x square plus y square is less than 1. As x square plus y square is less than 1, by equality we have x square plus y square is equal to 1, which is a equation of the circle whose center 0 0 and radius 1. We draw graphically is the center point 0 0, a circle whose radius is 1 centered at 0 0 is this. This represents x square plus y square is equal to 1, as sphere centered at 0 0 with radius 1 is equal to x y belongs to R square such that x square plus y square is less than 1. This implies S1 0 0 sphere centered at 0 0 with radius 1 is the interior of the circle whose center 0 0 and radius 1, that is S1 0 0 is the open sphere interior of a unit circle. Next example, let XD be a metric space describe the open sphere. Describe the open sphere for discrete metric. It is given that XD is a discrete metric space. This implies dxy is equal to 1 if x does not equal to y, 0 if x is equal to y. Let A is belongs to capital X and R be any positive number greater than 1. Then sphere centered at A with radius R is equal to x belongs to capital X such that distance between A and X is less than R. As R is greater than 1, this implies sphere centered at A with radius R is equal to capital X, because all the points of capital X are lies in the sphere SRA. If R is less than 1, then sphere centered at A with radius R is equal to x belongs to capital X such that distance between A and X is less than R is equal to x belongs to capital X such that distance between A and X is less than 1, because R is less than 1, which is equal to x belongs to capital X such that distance between A and X is equal to 0, which is equal to x belongs to capital X such that A is equal to x, which is equal to A. Hence, SRA is the open sphere having only one point A, which is the center of the sphere. So we conclude that in discrete metric space, SRA is equal to X if R is greater than 1, is equal to A if R is less than 1. Next, interior point and neighborhood of a point. Let XD be any metric space with metric D and capital A be the subset of capital X, that is, A is contained in capital X. Let A belongs to capital A, then A is called interior point of the set A if there exists R greater than 0 such that sphere centered on A with radius R is contained in A. I repeat, let XD be a metric space with metric D and A be the subset of capital X, that is the subset of a metric space X. Small a be an arbitrary point of capital A, then small a is called the interior point of capital A if there exists R greater than 0 such that sphere centered at A with radius R is contained in capital A. The set capital A is called neighborhood of the point small a. If there is a sphere centered at small a is contained in capital A, then capital A is called neighborhood of the point small a. Graphically we see the rectangular part represents the metric space. Suppose this is X. A is any subset of capital X small a is belongs to capital A. We draw a sphere centered at A with radius R. Sphere centered at A with radius R, and this sphere is contained in capital A. Then the point small a is the interior point of capital A, and capital A is the neighborhood of small a. For example, let x is equal to capital R, that is usual metric space. A is equal to -2, 2 is contained in R. Suppose small a is equal to 0 and R is equal to 1, then sphere centered at A with radius R is equal to sphere centered at 0 with radius 1 is equal to x belongs to R such that x minus 0 modulus is less than 1, which is contained in -2, 2 equal to A. So 0 is called the interior of the subset -2, 2, and the subset -2, 2 is called the neighborhood of the point 0. Next we will discuss a result based on neighborhood and interior point of the metric space theorem. Let XD be a metric space and capital A be the subset of capital X. If there exists an open sphere SRX, that is the sphere centered at small x with radius R, such that small p is belongs to SRX contained in A, then capital A is the neighborhood of small p. That is, XD is a metric space and A is a subset of capital X. If there exists an open sphere SRX, sphere centered at X with radius R, such that P belongs to SRX and SRX contained in A, we have to prove that A is a neighborhood of small p. Graphically, it is given X is a metric space, rectangular part X is a metric space. A is a subset of X. Another rectangular part which is a subset of capital X. P be any point which is lying in the sphere whose center is X and radius is R. SRX, center is X and radius R. This point is P. We want to prove P is an interior point of capital A. That is, we have to prove that a sphere centered on P with radius is contained in capital A. Then P becomes the interior point and A becomes the neighborhood. As P belongs to sphere centered at X with radius R, this implies distance between P and X is less than R, because sphere centered at X with radius R is equal to Y belongs to capital X such that distance between X and Y is less than R. This implies R minus dxp is greater than 0. Let R minus dxp is equal to R1, which is greater than 0. Our target to prove that a sphere centered at point P with radius R1 contained in capital A, then small p becomes the interior point of capital A and capital A becomes the neighborhood. So now we shall prove that sphere centered at P with radius R1 is contained in SRX. Let Y belongs to SR1P be any arbitrary, then distance between Y and P is less than R1. This implies distance between Y and P is less than R minus distance between X and P, because R1 is equal to R minus distance between X and P. This implies distance between Y and P plus distance between X and P is less than R. We can write it as distance between X and P plus distance between P and Y is less than R, because D is metric. This implies distance between PY is equal to distance between YP. This implies distance between X and Y is less than R, because dxy is less than equal to dxp plus dxy. py. This implies y is belongs to sphere centered at x with radius r, but y is belongs to SR1P is arbitrary. This implies sphere centered at P with radius R1 is contained in SRX and SRX is contained in A. This implies sphere centered at P with radius R1 is contained in A. This implies P is an interior point of capital A. So capital A is the neighborhood of the point small p. Example of neighborhood: let XD be a discrete space and small x is belongs to capital X. Show that every subset of capital X containing small x is a neighborhood of small x. XD be a metric space. We want to prove that every subset of capital X containing small x is the neighborhood of small x. As XD is discrete metric space, this implies dxy is equal to 0 if x is equal to y, 1 if x does not equal to y. Let capital A be the subset of capital X containing small x. We have to prove that capital A is neighborhood of small x. Now, sphere centered at x with radius 1/2 is equal to y belongs to capital X such that distance between x and y is less than 1/2, which is equal to y is belongs to capital X such that distance between x and y is equal to 0, because in discrete metric space distance between the 2 points is either 0 or 1. So in this case distance between x and y is less than 1/2, so it is automatically equal to 0. which is equal to y belongs to capital X such that x is equal to y, as distance between x and y is 0, therefore they are coincide to each other. So which is equal to x and contained in capital A, because A is a subset of capital X contained in X. This implies S1/2 X is contained in capital A. So capital A is the neighborhood of X. It is sufficient for today. We will discuss some more results on interior and exterior of the subset. So keep in touch, watch our videos and subscribe our channel for more videos on this topic. Thanks to all. Have a nice day. Bye bye.